In a welcome and much needed step, Indian Air Force has signed a deal of supplying 97 Tejas Mark 1 with HAL. This is one of the biggest deal, in fact costing 62,370 crore. Before that, they had already signed a deal for supply of 81 Tejas Mark 1 which were to be supplied by 2024. However, that supply has been delayed and first aircraft is likely to be delivered in October. Few good things which have happened, that was a challenge, delay was there, but few good things which have happened is that now the GE has started supplying the engines and promised to supply 2 engines per month, and HAL has also increased their capacity to make aircraft. They have also, third plant is ready in Nasik and is functional. So from 1 to 2 aircrafts earlier which they used to make, now they will be able to roll out almost 20 aircrafts in a year. That will be the matching. The GE is planning to supply 2 engines per month. So then HAL also has got the capacity to make 2 aircraft. This deal of 97, they will start churning out by 27-28 and it will take 6 years to complete. That means the last aircraft which they will receive is by 2034-2035. Frankly, it is a long time, long wait. Indian Air Force is already down to 29 squadrons. Pakistan Air Force is almost 25 squadrons. And we also have to take care of the China border. Now we have to take care of the Bangladesh border. With this, I think we need to speed up the procurement process, speed up the manufacture, and as an interim measure, I feel we need to procure some aircraft off the shelf. The talks are on with Russia, Su-57 or Rafale, so that the gap is made up at the earliest. At the same time, we also need to work on the indigenization of engine, because if GE again stops supply, then we are in a crisis. Without engine, we cannot go ahead with the production. So talks are on for upgradation of Kaveri engine with Saffron. We need to focus and work on making our engine also indigenous, because that is a critical part. Without that, the aircraft cannot be made. Some other parts we can procure from left, right, but this is one of the critical part and we need to work on it and at the earliest. In fact, that is where probably the one good thing with Tejas is that 64% parts are indigenous and almost more than 180 companies are taking part. They are supplying different parts. So it is generating employment, it is saving foreign exchange, and also it is making us self-reliant, which is need of the hour.